Hello, my dear students. I hope you have done your previous homework. As we were doing textbook exercises in the last video, I'm going to continue the textbook exercises of chapter number 2. There is ice cream in my eyes. So kindly open page number 29 of your textbook. Kids, for this particular exercise, it's essential to know how to use dictionary to find out meanings. So for this, I have already shared the video of how to use dictionary step by step. On that video, you will have the proper knowledge about what are entry words, guide words, definitions, and many more other informations. So very first you have to look that video, and then after we will move forward. Now let's do the exercise. Let's use dictionary. One word can have different meanings. Example, there is a fly in the room. Here fly is an insect. The second example, can a peacock fly? Here fly means move through air. Remember students, a word has many definitions or meanings for a single word. So you have to choose the meaning according to the sense of the particular sentence. Let's see the exercise given in the book. Look at your dictionary and write the meaning of the words in green below as they are used in the sentences. So children, you have to make, or you can draw lines like on the slide I have shown you. Yes, on that line you can write down the meanings of green words. First A here, I love plum jam. Children, jam I think you have already eaten with bread, yes? So here jam means a thick sweet substance. B, there was a traffic jam outside my school. Here jam word means a situation in which difficult to move, yes? Second A, my cricket bat is very heavy. Children, here bat means a piece of wood used in cricket. B, a bat likes fruit. Here bat means an animal which can fly. Now the third sentence. Switch off the light and go to sleep. Here light means the energy from the sun or any other source. B, a child can carry this bag. It is so light. Here light means not weighing very much. Fourth A, my friend can bowl fast. Here bowl means to throw a ball to the batsman. B, pour some water into the bowl. Here bowl means a deep round dish. In Hindi you can say katori. Children, now just turn the page. Now fifth A, I play the drums in the school band. Here band means a small group of musicians. B, Tara wore a red band in her hair. Here band means a thin flat strip that is put around things. So children, in this way we have completed this exercise. One point you should note, write meaning according to the sentence. Okay, so very first you read the sentence and then find out the meaning. Children, now I want to tell you one more thing, that if you want to use any other dictionary for writing the meanings of these words, you can use it, okay? There is no problem. Now just move forward for the next exercise. Let's write. The main points of the story are given below. Put them in the correct order and write out the story. The first one has been done for you. Students, if you have remember, we have done this type of exercise in chapter number 1, Puppy in the Well. So we have to do the same way to do this exercise as well. As you know that, very first you have to arrange these sentences in the correct order according to the story. Children, very first try to do this exercise yourself. Okay? You have to put down the numbers in the correct orders. Okay, just try to do first yourself and then after we will do the exercise further. Children, now we will do the exercise now. Mr. X and Miss Z went to rob a bank. Captain Smart saw the two burglars, or you can say criminals. She split oil near the gate and then fired a pistol in the air. This will be the third sentence. Now the fourth sentence of this exercise is, Mr. X and Miss Z ran out of the bank, but they slipped on the oil. Next, Varun and Veena threw ice cream at Mr. X and Miss Z. Sniffer caught hold of Mr. X's leg. The policemen came and took them away. So students, in this way we have completed chapter number 2. As you know that we are having 8 to 9 days break. So for this I want to give you the homework of the day that you have to prepare chapter number 2, There is Ice Cream in My Eyes, for assessment 2. Okay children, so try to learn this chapter well, the glossary, question answers and textbook exercises as well. Prepare well and do participate in assessment 2nd, okay, and share your score. So I think you are able to understand chapter 2 properly. If you have any doubt or if you want to ask me any question, you can write down that question in the comment section below. Now we will meet you in the next video for assessment 2. Okay, till then take care and keep learning. Thank you.